I'm Mark Langford, and up until the end of September 2021, I was the head of manufacturing for Frontier Plastics, who are now part of the wider Vernacare Group. In Blackwood, we're manufacturing sharps containers for the harm reduction and infection prevention, as well as various other products associated with those medical sector fields.
I'm Bettina Gilbert. I'm the head of technical support and financial mechanisms at WRAP. So the supply chain trials were funded by the Welsh Government. They made them possible. In Wales, we're third best at recycling in the world. But what we need to do is find ways to use all those materials that we collect and recycle. So altogether, there's over 20 organisations taking part in the trials. It's a collaboration between the private sector, between the education sector, several of the universities in Wales, and then other technical specialists, and of course, WRAP and our team.
The objective of the project was to overcome concerns about a lack of consistency in the supply of recycled materials.
I think we've always been an environmentally conscious business, and I think with the ever-changing world in where people are looking to reduce carbon footprint, it was the next evolution on where we needed to be as a business. You know, our products were made from 100% virgin plastics. We were using small amounts of recyclate within our products. We wanted to increase that volume. So this is where the project was initially started from, to explore those avenues.
The early discoveries were predominantly around the lack of availability of suitable recycled materials. Ideally, the project partners were seeking natural coloured or clear coloured materials, and those simply weren't available through any of the supply chains. We overcame those difficulties by identifying a number of materials that had properties similar to those required, and then working with the project partners, we undertook a series of development projects to improve those properties so they met the requirements of the application.
The initial success on the project were that there are some inner parts that go within the sharps containers, the safety shield as we call it. We were able to convert those on our 2, 3, 4 and 7 litre products to 100% recycled material. That was done in November 2020, and then during the summer of 2021 we were able then to launch our full accessory range made from 100% recycled materials as well.
The project has shown that it is possible to use recycled content in these products. It requires focus and resources to be made available for the development work, but with those resources being applied, it is possible to achieve a successful outcome.